welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really exciting, for me at least, but this is going to be my first impressions and unboxing of this month's or this season's FABFITFUN box. If you don't know what FABFITFUN is, it's a seasonal subscription box, so you get it 4 times a year as each season starts. So this is the summer month. So it's interesting when I was like researching and trying to learn more about this subscription service. Everything that I found was partnered with FABFITFUN. So it was always like a sponsored video or a in partner with type of video. So I was like, are they being paid to say all these great things? Because you can only hear really great things about FABFITFUN. So I decided to pick it up myself. So this box I paid for myself. This is not a sponsored video. I am not in partner with the brands. They don't even know who I am, I'm sure. So this box I paid for with my own money. So everything that you're gonna hear me talk about or say about the products that's inside and about the subscription service is gonna be my own genuine, honest opinion about the box. So it's a pretty hefty box. I think I paid about $45 for this box. I actually paid for the premium service, which you just pay for the entire year at one time, because you can't just buy it one season at a time if you don't want to spend like actually it was like I think $200 for the whole year. Maybe less than that, I can't do math right now. But I did pay for the one where you pay for the entire year at one time. I decided to go with that option because you can actually pick and choose what products you want in it. You don't get to pick every single product, which I do like because I do want to be surprised with each box. But I do like that you can pick some of the products that you want in your box. So for instance, with this one, you can get a makeup bag or a beach towel. And I already have like 75 makeup bags. I really didn't need another, so I picked the beach towel, which was a nice option because if I had gotten the makeup bag, I would have probably given it away or store it in the back of my closet and never use it again because I have so many. So I do like that you can kind of pick and choose with some of the products, but a lot of the products, I actually don't know what I'm getting. I've seen some of the videos that have been out for the summer box, which is what this box is. Everyone gets something a little bit different, so I actually don't know what exactly I'm getting. So this is a really, really exciting video for me to film. First off, the box is so, so pretty. I love just the colorful theme of this. It's very summery, and I love it. So you open it up. Look how pretty the inside print is too. I mean, the detail just to the box alone is awesome. So you get a little FABFITFUN magazine, I guess. So this is the 2018 summer edition. There's some workout stuff in here. Of course, all the products are listed in here, how much they are. I guess kind of like tips and tricks to use with each product. So this is actually a really fun read. I'm going to save this. I usually don't save stuff like this, but this is actually kind of cute. So this is what it looks like for, let's say, $50. This is pretty impressive for $50 because I see Kula, and Kula is not a cheap brand. Kula's pretty expensive, and I'm a huge fan, so I'm excited to see that in the box already. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing in the box is the Tarte Pro to Glow palette. And I think this is an eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's so adorable and mini. The colors are actually really, really beautiful. It's very neutral, but you get like a nice plum here. This is a really pretty bronzy, like rosy bronze shade. That's really pretty. I'm probably gonna give this to my mom. This would be great for her. She's like not the biggest makeup fanatic. I mean, she wears it, she enjoys it, but she won't go out and buy something for herself. It's usually just me giving her things. So she'll really enjoy this. This is definitely her color scheme. So this is so cute, and it's so little and compact. It would be great for traveling. This is so adorable. I don't know how much this is, but I'll have everything, like the retail price of it, kind of sliding in and out for you guys so you know how much you're getting in this box. Next up, we have another Tarte item. This is the Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Oh, that's cute. Do I have this already? It has like a cute little cat on the cap. It's a liquid liner. Let's see how it goes on. It's not the blackest liquid liner. It's actually very gray tone, but it's very smooth. Like you can get a very precise line or you can get a very thick line with it. So it is nice. I don't know. Oh no, see, it's already bleeding out into my like little fine lines in my hands. That's not gonna be the best liquid liner, which is a shame because it went on really smooth. It's very like saturated. Next up is a Pure One product. I think I know what this is because I think everyone received this. And yeah, this is a cute little like catch-all dish. It's marbled print with like a gold like design rim around it. I actually have something very similar on my sink so that I can take off my engagement ring when I do dishes so I don't scratch it all up and stuff. So I do love like things like this around the house in case like I'm putting on lotion in the bedroom. I want to put my ring down safely and not lose it. So this is going to be really great for my beauty room. This is a nice little accessory to have. So not everything is makeup related. It is FABFITFUN. So you get some fun like accessory, like this was really, you know, cute to have. But then you also can take some workout stuff. And I am a gym newbie. I'm getting my butt in shape for my wedding. So I decided to get this. This was an option that you can pick. It was between this and something else, I forgot. But I wasn't really interested in the other product, and I figured since I'm starting to get my workout on, this would be really great. It's a stretchy band. To be honest, I don't know what you do with this. Is this like an arm workout? That would be great because my upper body strength equates to like an infant's. If I was hanging off a cliff for my life, I would last about 2.5 seconds before I'm like, no, not worth it. Bye guys. So this is actually really great. It's just nice, you know. I wouldn't have bought this for myself, so to include this in a subscription box is nice because you're discovering new things that you would not have otherwise bought. Next up, we have a skincare item from Elemis. This is their Papaya Enzyme Peel, and I love Elemis skincare. I'm a huge fan of their eye patches and eye pads. They're amazing. This is really exciting. This is a peel. This is really great if you want to do like a gentle exfoliation without really roughing up your skin with tiny little beads, or a physical exfoliator. This is going to be really nice. I might just give this to my mother-in-law. She likes Elemis as well, and she's a huge skincare fanatic, so I might just give this to her. Another skincare product is the Kula Classic Sunscreen. It's their Classic Face Sport with SPF of 50. I am a huge fan of Kula, and I use their sunscreen religiously throughout the summer. I get the big size of this in the mango scent. It smells amazing. It's SPF 50, it's organic, it's clean. I don't feel guilty about layering it on because I don't want the physical like chemical crap in a sunscreen to sink into my bloodstream. It's actually very poisonous, and it's scary if you do some research on it. So to find something that's organic and clean and safe for you to lather all over your body is really rare. So I love Kula for that. Again, SPF 50 is a lot. Usually we find 30, so this is great. This is a face sunscreen. I am all about the face sunscreen. It smells really good. It smells very fresh. This is the white tea scent. And it just smells very like calming and soothing. So this is going to be really nice for our beach bag. I slather sunscreen on when I'm at the beach like there's no tomorrow. I love sunscreen. So this is going to be a really nice addition to my beach bag. And again, Kula is expensive. You can find it at Sephora. Alrighty, so let's move on. Next up, we have the Marianela Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. It's a scrub. It's a hydrating body scrub. And I know this one was a bit pricey as well. I forgot how much it was, but again, definitely worth it in the box. I don't love the way it smells. I don't hate it, but I thought it would be more like, I don't know what I thought it would be. I didn't think it would be this scent. It's really hard to describe, but there is a chunk of the product, but then like on the bottom, there's like this liquidy oil thing that's floating around. I don't know about this scent. The body scrubs are great, especially if you use self-tanners and you want to really exfoliate your skin. There's no like weird patches or dry flaky skin, you know, attached is just gross. So this is going to be really great just for the shower, especially after the beach too, and your skin feels really tight and dry. You really want to exfoliate and then lather on like good body creams. This is going to be really nice for that as well. Next up is another skincare product, and this was actually very surprising to me that everyone got one. This is the new Foreo Luna Fofo. I have the Clarisonic Mia, but this is really nice because you don't have to buy an attachment head. For me, I change out my Clarisonic heads every 2 months, so it can get pretty pricey. I think one of the heads is like $20 or something, so it is pricey. To me, it's an investment. I tend to take really good care of my skin. I am a huge skincare fanatic, so like the $25 was justifiable to me if it kept my skin looking clear and good. But this, because it is silicone, it's very hygienic. You don't have to change out the head, you just wash it with soap and water. But this is so adorable. And this new version of their Foreo, you can actually connect it to your phone, and there's an app on it. Measures skin moisture, reveals skin age. That's gonna be scary. I hope it says that I'm 30. Customizes your cleansing routine, and it records the progress. So that's pretty high tech for a skincare product. And I love that I got pink. I'm so excited. A lot of people got black or blue, but the pink is so pretty. This is gonna look so cute on like my bathroom sink with all my skincare products. It's the little things, guys. So this is exciting. I know this was pricey. I can't remember how much, but I love this, and it feels really soft. So basically, you just turn it on and use the little scrubbies that is made out of silicone, and just go around your face and clean your face. So that's really cool. And then the last thing in here is the beach towel. I'm actually really excited about this. I don't know why, but I love buying beach towels. I think they're so fun. There's always so many patterns, and oh my god, this one feels so soft. But this is, okay, so I'm standing up, and this is gigantic. It is a pineapple, like palm leaf pattern. It feels like a blanket, like a fleece blanket, and not even so much a beach towel. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, so that's really exciting. So that was everything that's in my summer FabFitFun box. I would definitely recommend this subscription service if you haven't heard, or you're just kind of looking for a new one or for a gift. Again, you don't have to sign up for the whole year, so if someone's birthday is coming up, this would be a great present just to get them this whole box. It's $45. You're probably gonna spend that much on them anyways, and they get a crap ton of products to like kind of dig through and have fun with. So I actually really like this subscription service, and I would highly recommend it. Again, I paid for this with my own money. I am not paid or sponsored or partnered with FabFitFun for this video. This is my own honest opinion, and I would definitely recommend it to you. So if you have any questions about any of the products or about the subscription service itself, let me know down in the comment section below. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was really fun for me to film, and I think I'll start filming as the other boxes come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Okay, I promise I'm wearing a shirt. I'm not filming this naked. Just make sure you don't have a lipstick on your tooth. That would be really attractive.